tomatoes. I think there'll be peppers. What else is over here? We'll take a look. This is all really yummy corn. It's not quite ready. I can tell someone's been in there picking, but we could go for a stroll, see if we find some. Oh, I feel like I've hit a little jackpot with this row. How many would you like? What we're gonna do with the corn and tomatoes are so good together. I think we'll do a succotash to go with the grilled shrimp. We can also put it on our pizza Bianco. This is a pizza Bianco, cheater style. So we're mixing ricotta, mixing a bit of ricotta and mozzarella. And this is gonna form the base, pizza Bianco, white pizza. And then we have some onions from the garden, rosemary, thyme. Mix, 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 spread. You really can put whatever you want, but the thing that I love about this is the kids can make it. You buy a flatbread naan pizza, different shapes, you can cut it up, great room temp, great for dinner. This one is super easy. You can add lemon zest, lemon juice to the cheese if you want, or not. Spread the cheese around. Probably didn't have enough cheese. It's quite all right. Then you can put on some, this doesn't really count as Bianco, but it's still pretty colors. These green onions are from the garden. These are pickled jalapenos I did, and they are extremely hot. Buyer be warned. And then this is the corn from the garden that we just roasted. 415 to 20 minutes until it starts to sort of pop a little bit, like popcorn. You can do kid versions. Put whatever you want on it. Put a little bit of rosemary, some thyme. And then it can go in the oven for about 10 minutes and you can finish it on the barbecue or do the whole thing on the barbecue. And go right in the oven, not on a cookie sheet, just straight up like that. And then I put the cookie sheet underneath to catch the drippings. That's a little cleanup tip. Hi, this is Trish Magwood. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for recipe ideas, food inspiration, and simple home tips. Also go to Trish Magwood on Instagram for food and lifestyle ideas and inspiration, or check out trishmagwood.ca.